Hello classmates, it's our recommendation report submitted by Kartika Banyal, Piyush Saini and Shasta Khalin to our work environment communication instructor Jill Hines. In our recommendation report, we examined the current statistics of resource expenditure under several employee training programs for our company, which shows the process and the financial advantage that our company is getting for training the employees. This is a very important thing for each and every company. According to the Brand Hall Group's 2017 training benchmark study, it was observed for a medium-sized company that it spends an average of $3.7 million annually on an intern, out of which 55% work for more than 2 years. The Sasha Corporation focused on the significance of the problem, and according to the 15 studies, they discovered the fact that charts can touch the bar of $125,000 per vacancy for an IT company. Although we spent around 50 hours for the each and every individual intern training, which is beneficial for the interns but not beneficial for the company. For this, we are going to looking into some solutions. According to our report, here are some recommended solutions. First is the Oracle Innovation and Technology, in which we will be using AI. And second is providing support material, in which we will be providing material online as much as we can instead of face-to-face instructions. Third is the companies exchanging resource, in which each and every company will help the other companies to improve their interns training. And now we'll have a look on the graphs how the company train their employees. So here's the graph of various training procedures opted by technological companies. As we are a mid-sized company, so we will look on that right now. So as we can see, we only use 28.7% for the online computer resources for the interns, but we majorly we use 41% for blended learning, 43.2 for instructor learning, and solutions for that will be elaborated by my friend Shasta Khalin.
Thank you, Karthikeya. Now I will talk about the solution number one. So here's the solution number one, that is Oracle Innovations and Technology. So Oracle is trying to revolutionize the decrepit ideology of employee training by providing artificial intelligence solutions. So this means that Oracle is a software which analyzes the employee training activities and the employee training time, and it will give a lot of benefits to our company. It will help to increase the time and budget efficiency by providing allocated sources. As well, it will reduce the variation in service quality for trainees. And it will focus on operation cost decrement, plus it will help in the business integration. Now I'm going to talk about solution number two, which is providing support material to the employees. In providing support material, all the companies provide the employees online access material so that they can be trained online instead of the physical training. But right now, mostly companies are doing the physical training of their employees, and it costs them around $8 per hour. But by providing new employees with some online videos, quizzes, assignments, PowerPoint, presentations, lecture evaluations, assessments, and other accessible stuff, they can actually reduce the cost of their field training. And implementing this will provide them with more further benefits. For example, there will be lower commute expenses for the employees. There will be no venue cost, low cost in providing instructors. There will be real-time tracking of employee training, the increase in productivity instead of working hours. Now for the solution number three, Mr. Piyush Sani will talk about this.
Thank you, Shasta. The third solution that I'm going to talk about has existed in the market for a very long time, and it's called the company exchanging resources. If I have to give you an example, I would say my company is trying to teach my employees about cloud computing, and if some other company is also trying to teach the same thing, they can actually send their employees to my company, and I can send my employees to their company at some point of the time. This will make friendships between the two companies, and in this way, we can save a lot of instructor fees and infrastructure expenses. The Green Heart Exchange is an association that does at a very cheaper price, and it will be a very good thing for a company to opt this method. In the conclusion, I would like to throw the light on the expenditure per learner in 2017. That was $940, and in the upcoming years, it will probably increase. In consideration to our profit rates, we believe that these three solutions that we elaborated earlier including Oracle Innovation Technologies, providing support material, and using the method of company exchanging resources will make a huge difference on our company. Therefore, I recommend that we begin to initialize some of these methods and observe the effects for at least 3 months. Now it's time for you to make the winning decision. And right here is our reference sheet from where we gather all of our data. Thank you so much to my fellow classmates and my instructor Jill Haynes.